I sing along, then I sing along.
I can't even imagine what this must be like for you. Well, you're Astrid. You're strong, invincible.
Not anymore. I was being silly.
No, you weren't.